Hi everyone, this is Ritesh and you are watching Dancing with Data. Today I'm going to talk about Power BI license versus Tableau license. Tableau is now not disclosing the prices over there. So if you come to tableau.com pricing individual, so here you will find that they ask you, oh, did I see something over there? You could see something over there, right? But it's not there actually. Decide the right mix of users for your team. So now for everything it says contact sales. Now you would say what is the cost of the license? Wait, I can give you the numbers which used to be there earlier. I don't know, what's the real numbers now, but then maybe you will get some idea. And then we can talk about Power BI as well, whether they have the similar system over there or not. But before that, we need to know that, when we say Tableau Creator, Explorer, Tableau Viewer, what is the difference? And after that, jump over to the equivalent licenses when it comes to Power BI. So maybe that will help you if you are in a project where they are talking about Tableau versus Power BI. So that will give you some idea. So some of the other good parts with Tableau now that the Tableau Pulse is included with your Tableau Creator license and you don't have to pay extra for that. And you already have Tableau Prep Builder, especially after Power BI transformation capability. Tableau decided to have Tableau Prep Builder for free. That was something implemented around 2018 or so. Before I disclose the old price of Tableau, let's try to understand what is Tableau Creator, what is Tableau Explorer, what is Tableau Viewer. So as you can see, drive insights with a powerful suite of products and support your end-to-end analytics, that is creator. Creator means from the name itself that create. You are creating the reports over there, you're creating the dashboards. So if you are a Tableau developer, you need a Tableau Creator license for sure. In nutshell, comprehensive detail will come shortly. If we talk about Tableau Explorer, means you are exploring, right? So Explorer will explore trusted data and answer your questions faster with full self-service analytics. So this also includes Tableau Pulse and one Explorer license of Tableau Cloud. And remember with Tableau Creator, you get Tableau Desktop, which you are not getting over here. You get Tableau Prep Builder, which you are not getting over there as well. You get Tableau Pulse and one creator license on Tableau Cloud. So basically here more or less you are getting Tableau Pulse means you are most of the time spending your time at Tableau Cloud, and from there you can make use of Tableau Pulse. And from Tableau Cloud also, if for the published data source, you can create reports from the Tableau Cloud as well. In that way you can create report with Tableau Explorer as well, but from the cloud only. The last one is Tableau Viewer. As the name suggests, viewer. View and interact with dashboard and visualization in a secure, easy to use platform. The good thing that I like about Tableau is they have provided Tableau Pulse to everyone, which is essential and necessary for Tableau. They don't want to be behind in the race of artificial intelligence, especially when Power BI is aggressively moving ahead with Copilot features and all. So here also you get your Tableau Pulse and you get one viewer license of Tableau Cloud. You are not in a position to create neither at desktop nor at cloud. You can't create report, but you can view and definitely you can interact with the dashboard and visualization in a secure, easy to use platform. And if I just scroll down below, you will see, what all things that you can do with Creator, Explorer, and Viewer. And obviously, you will have maximum number of privileges given to Creator, while Explorer can create report, only create and publish new workbook from existing published, okay, edit existing from published, not with deck. You don't have any desktop with, so that's why here everything is blank wherever you are creating new data flows or create and publish new data. So all those things you can't do with Explorer. And at the end, viewer is more about viewing lineage, interact with visualization. Yes, download, that's a good thing. Download summary data, you can do that, so forth and so on. If you want to see in detail what all privileges are there, this link will be there at description for sure. Before we move ahead and talk about the old price of Tableau, you would love to hear that, right? That's my website, learnwithritesh.graphic.com, and you get a lot of free content in an organized way. So do not miss that. That link will be there at description and comment section. There is another option which is like Tableau Enterprise, designed for sophisticated business environments. And probably that part will come over here, where you get unlimited license for the capacity. Right? You have hardware. For example, when you have 10,000 users, like 5,000 users, then buying license for each and every user can be very expensive. Earlier, there was some numbers over there again. Right now, you have to contact sales. If you have so many users over there, maybe you have to pay, one time price as they can see. Offering more at a single price. So there might be a single price for a certain hardware configuration with RAM, memory, nodes, so forth and so on. So that's the other option for you. For that, you need to contact sales. I got this one blog by blog.enterprisedna.co. Right, this is an old, it's like it says 2023. As of 2020, the Tableau Creator license cost a fixed rate $70, and this is $70 per month, by the way, for Tableau Creator. So as per this blog, the price of Tableau Explorer license depend upon the platform. If you run Tableau on your own hardware or server, then it's $35. But if you are using Tableau Cloud infrastructure, Tableau Cloud, it costs $42 per month. And again, for Tableau Viewer, the cost is like $12 on the server platform and $15 on the cloud platform. So are you happy to see the numbers over there? But we don't know now what's there. So you have to contact the Tableau team, but you will get an idea that maybe it's somewhere around, these numbers. I don't see there will be comprehensive change. Maybe it will depend upon the the discount that you will get is will depend upon the number of licenses that you will take, and that's why you don't see it over there now. Again, this pretty blog will be there at my description and comment section. You can get some idea from there. But as per today, there are no dollar quotation there at the official website of Tableau. Now let's move over to Power BI. It's pretty straightforward. So you can see Power BI Microsoft account is pretty much free, right? So, but then you can't share. Means you can create report, but you're not in a position to share report until and unless you have Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium. Now, Power BI Pro is somewhat you can say similar to pretty much similar to Tableau Creator license. And here you see this is $10 per user per month, which is even lesser than the viewer of Tableau. There you had $12. Then that used to be around 2023. But let me tell you that Power BI Pro version, the capacity of your data model is limited to 1 GB. Now, you might think that Tableau is quite expensive, right, with respect to the price that you had over there. But remember one thing, there is no maximum limit for rows or columns of data as you have with Power BI. In fact, the factors over there would be the hardware resources such as RAM, CPU, and disk space, the capabilities and limitation of underlying data source, perceived performance, and usability. So if you're good with hardware resources, RAM, CPU, disk space, you will be able to handle data set much bigger than 1 GB when you are making use of Tableau. So keep that thing in your mind as well when you compare the numbers over there. If that sort of capacity is not a problem, then these numbers are quite tempting. If you are good with 1 GB data model or 10 GB workspace, and you don't have to deal that much of big data, then it's reasonable enough. If you want to improve your capacity over there, you can go to Power BI Premium, which will give you access to larger model sizes, more frequent refreshes, you get deployment pipelines and other enterprise scale feature. And as I was talking over before I move, so this is Power BI Premium. Before I move to the next one, like the good thing is that they have given the numbers over there, unlike Tableau. And again, these are all capacity related, right? You have if you're giving 4,000, again same thing. The reason is you have so many users over there. Maybe it's not feasible to buy thousands of Power BI Pro. If I say 1,000, then it becomes 10,000. It becomes 20,000. So you have some other offers over there where you can license your organization for access to Microsoft Fabric in a unified product experience that uses the same compute capacity and storage. Includes all features that are available in Power BI Premium user. Gain access to rest of Microsoft Fabric workload. Use autoscale to respond to occasional unplanned, you know, overage spikes in capacity by automatically adding. So there are a lot of features over there, right? And again, this is per month for P1 SKU. Remember when you say CSQ over there, SKU is a unique identifier for a product or service. It's used to track inventory, pricing, and other information about a product. Basically, this is a similar thing that when I talked about tab, where you talk about capacity, and within that capacity you pay a single price, and then you have unlimited license for that capacity. So you have a couple of more capacity level licenses over there. The last one even enjoys pay as you go SKU, where you can enjoy pay as you go pricing, which can scale up or down dynamically and even pause with no usage commitment or what else you want. So today we talked about the different pricing model for Tableau and Power BI. In nutshell, Tableau, it used to have more cost for the license, but right now there is no official display of the Tableau license prices. Tableau, you had Tableau Creator, Tableau Explorer, Tableau Viewer, and there also you had capacity licensing model. With Power BI also, first of all, you have Power BI free account where you cannot share your report, but you can create. Then you have Power BI Pro, somewhat like Tableau Creator. Then if you want to increase, as I said, the Tableau is more capable when it comes to the capacity. So you have Power BI Premium as well, because still this is $20 per month, which is reasonable. If you compare that with the X price or the previous price of Tableau, that was $70 per month. The other thing is that Tableau, they had Tableau Viewer license as well. Here you don't see any Tableau Viewer license. Sorry, Power BI Viewer license, something equivalent to that. However, we have already discussed the capacity level license that you can have, and it's clear cut, you can see the numbers over there. But if you want to know more about the numbers, contact Tableau Sales because they are waiting for you. This is Ritesh signing off from Dancing with Data. Keep on dancing with data क्योंकि data ही दादा है क्या तुमको सब कुछ आता है. Bye bye.